Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutri mix powder at home. First, gather your ingredients, which often include a variety of grains, pulses, nuts, and seeds. This homemade blend offers a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrient intake, providing essential vitamins and minerals. It's a versatile and wholesome addition to many meals, ensuring you know exactly what goes into your body. Now, let's prepare your ingredients. Begin by dry roasting grains and pulses separately in a pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant. Next, gently roast your nuts and seeds for 2 to 3 minutes to bring out their natural flavors. It is crucial to let all roasted items cool completely to room temperature before moving on to the next step. Once cooled, it is time to grind your ingredients. Blend them in a mixer or grinder until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. For an even smoother texture, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger pieces. Properly store your homemade Nutri mix in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 months. Your homemade Nutri mix is incredibly versatile. You can easily add 1 or 2 tablespoons to milk, smoothies, or your morning porridge for a quick nutritional boost. Consider incorporating it into dough for chapatis, pancakes, or even baked goods to enhance their nutritional content. Feel free to customize your mix with spices like cardamom or ginger powder for unique flavor profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.